You might be looking at this and saying, Max, you covered this last year. And you'd be right. You can see that video up here. But the reason I am is because last time we saw a static exterior only concept of the all-new Honda Prelude. But this year it's making its dynamic debut at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed. We know it'll be hitting UK roads in early 2026, and this is our best look yet at how the 6th generation Prelude will shape up, blending Honda's hybrid tech with a fresh driver-focused ethos. It also marks the European launch of something called Honda's S Plus Shift, a new system that mimics quick automatic gear changes for a more engaging driving feel, even though it's a hybrid. We know it will be hitting UK roads in early 2026, and this is our best look yet at how the 6th generation Prelude will shape up, blending Honda's hybrid tech with a fresh driver-focused ethos. It also marks the European launch of something called Honda S Plus Shift, a new system that mimics quick automatic gear changes for a more engaging driving feel, even though it's a hybrid. Design-wise, it's classic coupe proportions, long bonnet, short tail, tight overhangs, and a low-slung silhouette that really leans into that mini Grand Tourer look. The LED lighting is sharp and minimal, with a clean front end and a strong character line that runs the full length of the car. It's unmistakably Honda, but it also feels like a nod to the late 90s Prelude. It's low, lean, and definitely not trying to be an SUV. Looking at you, Ford.
Looking good? No?
Step inside and it's textbook modern Honda. Clean, minimal, and surprisingly upmarket. You get the familiar honeycomb air vent trim, just like in the Civic and ZR-V, with physical climate controls and a central floating touchscreen that is clear and responsive. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and unfussy, and the interior, dark grey with white and blue stitching, gives it a premium, slightly retro feel that ties in perfectly with the Prelude badge. The seats are supportive and sporty, with an embroidered dash and sculpted bolsters that hint at Honda's performance DNA, but without going full Type R. It feels mature, confident, more about balance and style rather than raw aggression. In terms of specs, what do we know? Power comes from Honda's familiar eHEV hybrid system, though no firm numbers have been given yet. The focus here isn't on outright performance, it's balance, efficiency and engagement. UK pricing is still under wraps, but we expect it to slot in just above the Civic, possibly starting in the high 30s. Deliveries are set to begin in early 2026, and this model will join Honda's fully electrified lineup alongside the Jazz, Civic, HR-V and CR-V. So what do you think? Would you take this over a GR86 or an MX-5? Or does the front-wheel drive Autobox setup put you off? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a like. And don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell icon so as to get notified whenever I load up new content about the latest news, and hopefully I'll get a chance to review this car as well. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. You've been watching Max Talks. I'm Max, and I'll see you on the next one.